Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 13th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, anyways, on the dollar CAD, price is going above the 78% with pretty strong momentum. Normally, that tells me that, yeah, it could make a pullback, but very likely it is going to keep going up long term, and it probably will eventually even go up and take out these highs. I still think it might be a WXY, but I'm definitely trading with the flow, and the flow is definitely up on the sort of time frames, or even this time frame. Heading down to the weekly, we have no break of structure, we have no Fibonacci bounce, we have no reason at all to even think about looking for shorts. Going down to the daily time frame, now I guarantee most people would be looking at this thinking, man, I need to go short. I would look at this and say, man, I'm looking for pullbacks to continue to go long every single chance I get. If you continue to trade with the trend, I guarantee that you're going to be more profitable in the long run. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would be trying to go long at the end of pullbacks, like right there, or possibly right there, or possibly right here. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short. I would only be trying to go long at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, definitely looking for longs. Now, this does seem like a pretty overextended trend, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does make a move to the downside, but for me, it's way too unpredictable and way too dangerous to try to go short. I guarantee pretty much any indicator you would put on this thing would tell you to go short, which probably gives you, me personally, even more reason to actually continue to go long at the end of every single pullback I see, because indicators are basically useless in my opinion. So definitely looking for longs. Definitely looking to go long at the end of three-way pullbacks. Not even remotely thinking about going short. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.